Alright, so if you are farming the Hamster Kombat airdrop, then this video is for you. Because in this video, I will explain each and every step of token launch, how much airdrop you will be getting, and how to get maximum airdrop, and how to connect your wallet so that you can receive the airdrop. So before starting the video, let's subscribe this channel so that you can get the information, legit information to your YouTube notifications. So this is a website called giveawaylisting.com where the article which is published on 8th of July, and they have researched each and everything and they have explained a few things, and they are saying the speculated airdrop announcement date is 10th of July. So they were saying on 10th of July they will be announcing the Hamster Kombat launch date, and the launch date they are expecting is 6th of August, which is around 20 days from now. So the speculated date for the token launch is 6th of August. If that's true, why they are saying that is because this is the tweet that they are promising when launching, when airdrop, when TG. So they are saying based on the roadmap, which is in July, they have TG. And one more thing, they have revealed that Web3 game conference. So this conference is happening in, I guess, in Taiwan on 6th to 8th of July, 6th to 8th of August. So they are saying this is the date when they are planning to launch their Hamster Kombat token, which is 20 days from now. So this is about the token launch date and the announcements. Second thing, airdrop amount. So this is the conference detail, the Asia Blockchain Summit Web3 Game Conference, which is happening in Taiwan. Let's talk about something which is reality, airdrop amount. So I have seen a lot of YouTube videos that people are promising that they will get $10,000 of airdrop, $50,000 of airdrop, $1,000 of airdrop. Can you imagine if you are doing nothing over the Telegram, you are actually not doing anything, and why somebody will give you $10,000 in airdrop? Do you think is there any sense into it? So the reality is you are not getting amount which you are expecting. So let's go to the tweet which is by the Hamster Kombat. So where is the tweet where they were mentioning how many users they have? Let me scroll down a bit. All right, this. I think you mean to put Hamster Kombat first. So this is the list which is being displayed, like top TG projects in 2024 in the second half. So they are saying they are currently over 250 million hamster playing our games. They are saying they have 250 million plus hamster players. Can you imagine the amount of players they have? If 250 million plus users are active on Hamster Kombat, and if they are giving the airdrop, let's see how much airdrop they are giving. So let's go a bit down, and there is a chart. This is the chart. So out of 100% allocation of the token, they are giving initial airdrop of around 20 million tokens at the price of this. This is the price. So 0.002 is the price for the Hamster token when token will launch. And what is the percentage? If you see airdrop initial, which is 100 million, and that percentage is just this airdrop initial 1%. Can you imagine the 1% token you will get in the airdrop? And how many total users? 250 million users. Just imagine. And even the second most important thing is how much they have raised yet. The Hamster Kombat funding amount is unknown. Major investor unknown. Everything is unknown. What they have, just 250 million people who are continuously grinding toward the Hamster Kombat game. Suppose they have raised funding around 250 million, which is very high in my opinion. They are not going to raise this much because Monad is one of the top quality project which is coming into the second half of the 2024, and they have raised 244 million. Can you imagine if Hamster Kombat is able to raise 250 million of the amount, and if they drop all the amount, let's assume all the amount they have dropped, you will get just $1 in airdrop. Does it make any sense to you? Let's go to the another thing, the more realistic part. So 1% you will get in the airdrop, and they have raised nothing yet. Even it is not disclosed yet. So I'm expecting how this whole airdrop will work. So ultimately, the more conclusion side that I can give you is, you are not getting an airdrop of more than $10 to $20. This is my opinion, and you are not getting that. So how the whole thing will work, what I can actually narrow down. So this is the structure that they have into the Hamster Kombat game. What matters is these points are not gonna matter. The matter is profit per hour. So when you click to the leaderboard thing, you must be getting, like, this is the platinum screenshot. So Hamster Kombat game is not working right now when I'm shooting this video. So if you click on the Grandmaster, Lord, whatever category you are, when you click now, you will see at the bottom, your rank will be 10,000 plus. So your ultimate goal, so that rank is basically your leaderboard. And I'm pretty sure they will be dropping all the amount of the airdrop based on the ranking of the leagues. Lord, Grandmaster, Master. So what is your ultimate agenda if you want to get maximum airdrop? So right now I'm talking about the maximum airdrop, how you can reap up maximum airdrop. You have to increase this profit per hour, because if you increase this thing, you can climb up into the leaderboard. So suppose if your rank is 10,000 and your profit per hour right now is 1 million. So don't grind for anything else. Now completely focus on profit per hour, because you have just 15 to 20 days for the token launch. And I'm pretty sure if that happens, profit per hour will give you a good ranking. So try to increase the profit per hour. So suppose if you have profit per hour is around 3 million or 3.5 million, you must get rank around 1000, maybe 500 into the category. So suppose my category is Grandmaster and my profit per hour is 3.5 million right now. Then I can get a rank of around 500. So if they have allocated, suppose 50, not 50 actually, suppose 1 million for the Grandmaster category based on the ranking, then I can expect that I will get airdrop of $5,000. So this would be the strategy. If you want to maximize your airdrop, just try to increase profit per hour into your category. These coins are not gonna matter a lot, nothing. Just spend these coins so that you can increase your profit per hour. So make strategy to upgrade the cards so that you can get maximum of profit per hour, and so that you can get good ranking into your category. And if you have good category, if you have good ranking into the category, there are high chances that you will get good airdrop. So this is about the whole hamster. Let me summarize this whole video once again. Token launch expected 6th of August. Airdrop amount you are not getting. If you are lucky enough, then it's okay. If you are not lucky, if you are average, then I think you will not get airdrop of more than $10 to $20, irrespective of points you have. But how to maximize the whole points to get the airdrop? Just increase the rank. And how to increase the rank? Just increase profit per hour. So that's all. That's all about the Hamster Kombat. So one topic is left here is important step, that actually how to connect your Ton wallet, because that wallet connection is very important, through which they will only give you the airdrop. So for that, let me go to my phone screen. As you can see, the Hamster Kombat is actually not working. They have some issues here. Let me cancel it. What you have to do is, as you can see my desktop screen, you will see airdrop task. Click on the connect Ton wallet, and then what you have to do is just see my phone screen and click on search for the wallet. Click wallet and then wallet, and then you can see this wallet comes up into the Ton. This is the most easiest way. Just search for the wallet. This screen will comes up. If you have not created a wallet before, just create this wallet. It's very easy. You just need to click create wallet and done. So this wallet will comes up, and then you have to connect this wallet, and then you will see this Ton wallet connected screen, and that's all. That's the most important step. So happy farming this Hamster Kombat. And just final thoughts on the Hamster Kombat is, don't expect too much from this Hamster Kombat game. That's all. So subscribe this channel, like this video if you really like my content. Thank you.